Jaqua Group, a rapidly growing multi-diversified global complete bathroom and lighting solutions brand. Jaqua Group products are the perfect synthesis of form and function, exceeding customers' expectations in every aspect via continuous product innovation and futuristic technologies. A manufacturing strength built over 63 plus years to deliver quality based on global standards. A brand that inspires worldwide to rediscover the joys of water and light. Jaqua Group maintains single-level quality in all its 8 manufacturing units, including one in South Korea, ensuring high-quality products that exceed the ordinary, reimagine the present, and create the future. The Jaqua Group astoundingly delivers an astonishing number of over 2.9 million bathrooms each year. Their exceptional manufacturing prowess is evident in over a staggering 39 million bath fittings annually. The group also possesses the most advanced lighting plant in India, situated in Bhiwadi, Rajasthan, sprawling over 55,000 square meters of floor area, capable of producing an astounding 25 million pieces annually. The manufacturing facility utilizes advanced machinery such as surface mount technology machines, automated assembly lines, laser cutting and engraving machines, testing and quality control equipment. In addition, to match the global standards at every level of production, the plant also has a robotic goniometer to manufacture world-class lighting products of exceptional quality. Over 3.3 million sanitary ware pieces are produced in its highly advanced sanitary ware plant situated in Bhachau, Gujarat, spreading over 100,000 square meters of floor area. The manufacturing facility produces high-quality products by utilizing advanced CNC machines and automated assembly lines. With a vision of constantly becoming better, the plant is also the maker of India's first antibacterial products, offering enhanced hygiene and safety. Jaqua produces its faucets in India's biggest faucet manufacturing plant, spreading over 50,000 square meters of floor area. The plant employs multiple sets of most high-tech customized automatic grinding and polishing robots, and also uses PVD coating, which is eco-friendly and gives superior finish and versatile colors. Jaqua Group products have received several global certifications for quality. The group also recognizes the importance of developing sustainable living conditions for our future and community, and is committed to becoming a responsible green company, which is why all the plants are zero-discharge plants that recycle wastewater, recycling 4,221 metric tons of brass and over 8 tons of chrome annually, generating over 13.5 megawatt of solar power and thus mitigating over 18,500 tons of carbon dioxide across plants and corporate offices, reclaiming rainwater in a lake to meet huge water requirement in production processes after treatment. Jaqua Group, as an undisputed market leader, the company has presence in over 55 countries across Europe, Middle East, Asia Pacific and Africa region. Jaqua Group, a true manufacturing excellence.
royalty. It is an aura you're born with, a right you're endowed with, a title you're crowned with. The Queen's range from Jacquard has epitomised these characteristics and ruled hearts in the Faucets category for almost 3 decades. That majestic legacy is now being passed on to a new generation. The same royal elegance, redefined for a new era, with harmonious flowing lines, the femininity of a slender body, and the sophisticated stance of a queen's gliding walk. Discover how Queen's Prime is born to rule in a variety of modern royal aesthetics. Bridge the past and the present with a modern palette and crafted embellishments. Infuse timelessness with stately colours and nature's green touch. Classy, contemporary, clean lines and muted natural tones. Soft colours and firm surfaces create a fine balance of materials and textures. White's purity and geometric patterns enhance the Faucet's femininity. Queen's Prime by Jacquard.
Jacquard Group aims to provide a perfect blend of contemporary designs and unique craftsmanship. This has also been implemented in our sanitary ware range, resulting in sleek and appealing bathroom sanitary solutions. With a production capacity of 2.4 million units annually and growing, the onus of creating these products lies on Jacquard's sanitary ware plant, which is situated in the town of Bhachau, Gujarat, that sprawls over 100,000 square meters. Since its inception in 2017, the plant has produced a variety of products ranging from sanitary ware to components which are used in making each product a unique blend of form and functionality. With a vision of constantly becoming better, the plant is also the maker of India's first antibacterial products. To maintain single-level quality standards, the group has 10 different departments which operate with world-class work practices that ensure uniformity and consistency is reflected in each product. Let's embark on the journey to discover how these processes bring our products to life. Known worldwide for our design development, we are all about pacing up as per customer needs and providing them with solutions based on design and technology. We design models and blocks on the basis of extensive market feedback. The birth of every product starts with 3D modeling. For the development of these products, we use the most modern CAD/CAM techniques so that our 3D models and plaster mother molds are always up to the mark. A CNC machine is then used for making mother mold. Making each minute count, This machine makes molds that are not just precise but also symmetrical. To keep the production of plaster ongoing at all times, resin and rubber case molds are produced. They ensure continuous supply of working molds with excellent finish and dimensional stability. Using these techniques, we define our hand in order to establish a unique selling proposition. Simultaneously, in a tremendous effort to bring a designer's vision to life, a small army of 60 workers comes together to keep the mold in top shape. Here, we are equipped with a plaster batching system in which plaster slurry is made as per the globally accepted recipe. Then, using a consistent plaster-water ratio, we obtain molds that are excellent. The resin case molds are taken from the storage rack and placed on the working benches provided with an oscillation motion. The case molds are cleaned and applied with imported releasing agents and provided with the required reinforcement inserts, notches and magnets. The pouring and demolding process begins by using DMAG XY rail hoist to handle the pouring bucket and pour plaster slurry inside the case molds. After setting time, the plaster molds are demolded by the DMAG hoist, finished, quality inspected and assembled, thus making it ready for the drying process. Glaze is of utmost importance for both functionality and aesthetics of a product. Keeping this in mind, we produce antibacterial high glossy glaze, which ensures every product is not just good-looking but also germ-free. Manual operation is also positioned for precise glaze batching process. It is followed by mixing them with water in a plunger. After de-ironing using strong permanent magnets, the slurry is then pumped to a ball mill for milling and homogeneous mixing process. To make the glaze preparation process a cut above the rest, a Hira Japanese high alumina lining and grinding media is used. A value-adding invention, sorting the glazing process even further. Along with it, we have a glaze storage to make sure there is a continuous supply of the glaze material for production. Alongside glaze preparation, slip is prepared. It is the lifeblood of every sanitary ware product as it determines the core quality of the product. Without compromising on quality, we import 100% of our raw materials from world-renowned suppliers like Sibelco and Imeris from UK, Soka, France, Kaolin AD from Bulgaria and Mota from Portugal. They are all stored in the raw material storage area and consumed using FIFO methods to get the best out of them. Auto batching system weighs automatically as per the standard recipe and moves through the belt conveyor to the plunger, where the various materials are mixed with water for making the slip. Then slip slurry is sieved through sets of vibro screens and stored in the respective storage tanks, where the slurry is kept under gentle agitation by rotating agitators. The tanks are also equipped with a heating system to maintain the slip temperatures. The slip is passed through de-ironing electromagnets with an auto-flushing system to remove iron particles, after which the slip is taken to the final slip storage for aging and continuous supply for production. Then comes supply slip network equipped with piston pumps and headers to supply slip to the casting shop through the pipeline with standard operating pressure to the dedicated slip circuits. We believe in sustainable preparation of slip, so we process and recycle our scrap. Any product can only reach the highest standard of quality if the raw material used in it is of the greatest quality. Hence, we use imported processed clays which have high green strength and best workable body. All these processes are aligned via our technical labs that have a mix of modern, flexible, and highly digitized testing facilities. This lab assures no faulty product goes in for distribution. The laboratory consists of 3 parts: incoming raw material inspection, in-process inspection, and final product testing. A chemical lab ensures all incoming raw material and its chemical constituents are as per specifications. Fusion bead is the most accurate and fastest for XRF chemical analysis. This fully automated machine is imported from the Netherlands. XRF analysis is used for chemical analysis. We validate and ensure particle size distribution for all constituents like raw materials, minerals, slip and glaze and all the stages of the process. A dilatometer is used to ensure proper fit of body and glaze by continuously monitoring its thermal expansion. For colors and glossiness, we conduct color testing of the product with spectrophotometers to ensure the color of LAB values to sustain the shades and glossiness of the product. Water is tested for our in-process use and ensure the TDS, pH and conductivity. We essentially check fired properties of the slip and glaze as per the parameters and specifications. For slip, fired strength, shrinkage, deformation and water absorption. For glaze, surface test, color, glossiness, crazing test and fusion flow is carried out. Driving a massive production capacity of more than 8,500 pieces per day, the casting process is one of the most specialized and tech-intensive processes in sanitary ware manufacturing process. To boost it, we use both manual and semi-mechanized casting processes. To get the best output, we also use the world's most advanced casting machine that suits our unique designs. Bench casting is used to do traditional casting with manual operation for specific patterns. Moreover, battery casting is done to minimize fatigue on the workman and to increase the output with better yields. Molds are also taken for spagless casting operation for better space utilization by doing multiple casting in a day from the same mold without using hot air for mold drying. Due to wet finishing, there is very low dust generation. Under this process, the joint pieces that ergonomically handle the pieces for fixing the joints with perfection are controlled by the PLC system. Some products are also produced by high-pressure casting for higher productivity. The finished product will pass the drying process. A humidity dryer is used for drying at temperature range of 90 degrees Celsius. At all levels of each process, a lot of focus is put on the area hygiene and high quality of housekeeping. Once production is complete, the products are sent for inspection. Only perfectly casted products make it to the process. Here, the greenware is moved to inspection for finishing process and to eliminate drying cracks if any, thus preparing the surface for better glazing. The product also goes through visual inspection and correction. To offer unmatched product quality, around 8,000 plus products go through inspection on a daily basis. Simultaneously, mass glazing takes place in the plant, using advanced tools and equipment that are imported from across the globe. Inspection and glazing is done by an advanced carousel glazing machine with minimal handling of pieces. This continuous glazing operation brings consistency and uniformity into glazed surfaces. Especially bought from Turkey, We conduct 100% trap glazing of all the required products to ensure hygiene of trap surfaces. We also use an advanced Italian infrastructure of robo-glazing for consistent glaze thickness and productivity. To increase the product's durability and visual appeal, glaze pieces are fired in the kiln during this phase. We employ a German energy-saving kiln, the best in the world. All our kilns have the most advanced German technology for fuel efficiency with higher structural stability even for severe earthquakes. We use silicon carbide plates, helping the products to produce flat surface and increase fuel efficiency by 8 to 10% with an achieved fuel efficiency of 680 kilocalories per kg. Our kilns emit 30 to 40% lower amount of carbon into the atmosphere. Enervit Pulse system was the first kiln in South Asia which was installed by the Jaguar Group. The rework pieces will be refired in shuttle kilns. Refiring has a capacity of 1400 plus pieces per day loading. These kilns give a superior quality of glazed surface with gleam and gloss. No sanitary ware product is complete until it passes a few comprehensive quality tests. We classify all of the product's quality in order to maintain consistency. Rework pieces with minor flaws go for refiring, while good ones get the QC pass seal. The leakage test and grinding work is performed based on the product requirement and passed on to the QA department. In the QA department, we carry out functional and dimensional testing on a regular basis on random products as per standard specification. The required product undergoes the flushing and leakage test. Then the final quality assurance inspection happens prior to packing on 100% products. All the products are packed and dispatched by items and category wise. The product packing is performed by the standard operating procedure and is then checked and listed. Additionally, packed material is duly labeled with MRP and other details. All the packed material is transferred to the warehouse by the dispatch memo system. Due to continuous production, we are always up against time to meet supply and demand. Our warehouse sprawls over 6.2 acres and has a massive storage capacity. It serves as both domestic and export bonded warehouse and sends out 285,000 boxes every month. Also, we are equipped with a high-density racking storage system. Using a WMS operation driver, we export more than 60 containers every month. As a leading lighting and sanitary ware company, we believe in giving back to the consumers, workers, and the environment. In Jaguar, we celebrate people as our biggest asset and nurture them with the best of healthcare, residential support, and hospitality. We provide residence to more than 1,500 people in a well-organized gated community, which is why we have built a zero liquid discharge plant that recycles wastewater and RO systems. And we also use solar panels to generate 5,300 kilowatts of green energy per day, allowing nature to coexist with machines. Combining technology and creativity, we deliver 2.4 million sanitary ware pieces per year, through which we make advanced sanitary ware solutions available worldwide. We exceed the ordinary, reimagine the present, and create the future. A true manufacturing excellence by Jaguar Group.